ProDentim. This ProDentim oral health supplement is one of the most unique oral health supplements out there. According to the official website, it consists of a blend made with 3.5 billion probiotic strains and nutritional supplements, backed and supported by numerous clinical research studies. Do you struggle with your oral and dental health? Do you want to enjoy the best Hollywood white teeth and smile at home? Do you want to take your oral hygiene and dental hygiene to altogether new levels? If your answer to all these questions is a yes, then you are in the right place on the internet. Here, we are not only going to talk about one of the latest oral and dental health supplements, ProDentim, but also about sharing some of the top ways, strategies, and awareness to enhance your dental health and oral hygiene to new possible horizons. Thus, in this one of the most extensive ProDentim reviews, we are going to decode the ProDentim formula for your oral health insightfully, so that you can decide for yourself whether or not ProDentim probiotic formula is all true or just the hype. To let you know, taking a ProDentim oral probiotic candy daily has been claimed to transform your poor oral health into a completely new and robust one. To support oral health and prevent many oral diseases, ProDentim can be one of the best dental hygiene supplements for you, following the official website. Not to mention, a decrease in the levels of good probiotic bacteria can cause severe gum diseases like periodontitis, tooth decay, and much more. This can reduce your gum health parameters, increasing the chances of tooth decay and more. Gum diseases like advanced periodontitis can destroy your oral health to the T. This ProDentim oral health supplement is one of the most unique oral health supplements out there. According to the official website, it consists of a blend made with 3.5 billion probiotic strains and nutritional supplements, backed and supported by numerous clinical research studies. Following the information mentioned on the official website of ProDentim, the product is manufactured in an FDA-registered facility under all GMP practices. Also, the product is all natural, made of 100% natural ingredients without any artificial additives and sweeteners, protecting you against severe oral diseases. Furthermore, the product is manufactured in the United States with a team of hundreds and thousands of expert professionals and workers under complete non-genetical engineering (GMO) measures to help prevent tooth decay. The formula of ProDentim dental health supplement has been formulated on the basis of a recent scientific study that states that a high population of beneficial bacteria in your mouth is directly proportional to great oral hygiene. Unlike other chemically manufactured dental products which cause immeasurable harm to your teeth and gums, ProDentim is highly regarded by its users for its natural probiotic ingredients. The presence of probiotic strains like malic acid and peppermint efficiently supports you in hitting the equilibrium of a good oral cavity. This probiotic supplement doesn't only help to boost the presence of beneficial bacteria in your mouth, but also ensures your digestive health. The probiotic strains present in the pills deliver the necessary nutrients into your body, which helps in strengthening your immune system and hence helps you maintain good gut health. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.